Go!
Oh, hi guys. Hi guys. Welcome to my pancake making video. Today we're gonna make pancakes. Yummy!
You like pancakes?
Yes, but so today I'm gonna show you how to spell Eggo. But you cannot see it.
Okay, how do you spell Eggos? You can't see it!
What?
You can't see it. Come on, how do you spell Eggos?
Eggo. Eggo. E-O. Eggo. Eggo.
How do you spell that?
E-G-G-O. Eggo.
Okay, can you show it to your friend now?
Wait. You have to wait. If I stop to 3, you can see 1, 2, 3.
Eggos! Hi, banana boy.
Banana. I want banana. One banana for me?
But you know, guys, I don't like banana. Oh no,
It's okay, it's okay.
I don't like bananas.
Thumbs up.
I don't like bananas that much. I like banana. I don't like bananas that much.
Okay, can we prepare the pancake?
Yes, I love putting ingredients together. Let's open it.
Okay, open it.
It's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man?
Yeah, Spider-Man pancake. What? We don't need to make pancakes? That's too much.
Wow.
Too much pancakes.
How many pancakes is inside the box? How many pancakes are inside the box?
I don't know.
Are you sure you don't know?
Many. There's so many, Mama. Mama, look. There's so many. How many pancakes? Can you read for me, friends?
40 pancakes.
40? Wow, that's a lot of pancakes. But I thought it was flour.
No, it's not.
So we don't need to make pancakes?
No, this is pancakes.
But we just
You need to cook it. Come on, let's cook pancake together.
Yeah, but first, let's put them on the tray.
Put them on the tray, come on.
Let's just... Yeah, put it in. And then when you're done, put it in the oven. But my father has to do it. I'm not... Because kids are... Because kids are not... Because it's too... Because ovens are too hot for kids.
Clever.
Yeah. So that's why kids cannot use the microwave. Kids cannot put pancakes. Kids cannot put food in the oven. Only grown-ups. Like this tray. You have to ask a grown-up for help. Yeah, but
You need my help to open the bag.
no, I got it. See, but I told you. But we need a tray, guys.
Okay.
Come on, let's put the pancakes.
Then I help Qaisarah.
Let's count. 1, 2.
Wait, let me see the pancake. 2. Okay, more. 3. 4.
5,
6.
6, 7.
Hey, don't lay the pancake on top of each other. Okay, I think 6 is enough.
Yes. Wait a
Or
minute.
maybe you make some more space.
Wait a minute.
I
How about-
think you can put at least 2 more. Try 2 more.
How about 3 more?
Let's try 2 first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Okay, 1 more. You're right, we can put 3 there.
9.
So we have how many? One more time?
9 pancakes.
Count, Diana, please count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Okay, today before we cook, we're going to learn addition and subtraction.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we can eat more pancakes for breakfast.